Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an update to customers on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the email section from the left sidebar. Here you can create posts and updates for your customers. Now, click on New Email at the top right corner. After that, enter a title for your update. For example, you can type something like Product Update or Version 2 Released. Then write your message inside the editor. You can add text, product updates, download instructions, links, images, or even videos inside the email. If you want to insert a link, click the link icon. To upload an image, click the image option and choose a file from your computer. You can also attach a specific product if the update is related to one of your products. This makes sure only customers who bought that product receive the update. You also have the option to attach files directly to the email if needed. Before sending the update, you can enable or disable comments and choose whether the post should also appear on your public profile. Once everything is ready, click Preview to see how the update will look for customers. If everything looks good, click Publish Now to send it immediately. You can also schedule the update by clicking the calendar icon and choosing a future date and time. And that's how you send an update to customers on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.